Do you still manage your service calls or work orders using paper forms or a notebook? With NewWayService.com, you can stop worrying about paperwork orders getting lost, delayed, or worse, never even billed. NewWayService allows you to eliminate paper, track every work order in real time, and most importantly, never forget to invoice your customers again. NewWayService.com is a web-based software program that your dispatchers and technicians can use to easily receive and track service requests from your customers. Each work order can be assigned to one or more technicians, and they can enter the work completed, parts used, and time worked, all from their smartphone, tablet, or computer. Your technicians can add an unlimited number of photos and documents to their work orders. The customer's signature can also be captured directly using their device's touchscreen. NewWayService is the ideal software for your technicians on the road as well as in the workshop. And that's not all. NewWayService includes numerous practical features for inventory and purchase order management, equipment management and preventive maintenance, service contracts and warranties. There is also a map feature that lets you see the location of your technicians in real time as well as your customer's location, a knowledge base, a customer portal, and real-time email notifications, for example when a work order status has changed, and much more. Ultra simple and with a user-friendly interface, no installation or training is required to use NewWayService. Create your free trial account and start using NewWayService today. It's easy. Visit NewWayService.com and say goodbye to lost papers.